In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-step form with Jotform in just 5 minutes. Now, if you've ever come across a lengthy form online, you know how frustrating it can be to scroll endlessly through fields. We're going to tackle that issue today by breaking up those long forms into neat, manageable steps. This not only makes forms much more user-friendly, but also encourages more people to complete them since they appear less daunting. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to jotform.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign in using your existing credentials. Once you're in your workspace, locate the form you want to transform into a multi-step form. This is where the magic begins. Now, let's get into the heart of modifying your form. On the left side of your screen, you'll see an option that says Add Element. Go ahead and click that button. This allows you to add various features to your form. For this particular task, we're interested in the page break, which helps us divide the form into sections. Once you've clicked Add Element, scroll down the options list until you find Page Break. When you spot it, click on it to seamlessly add a new page to your form. The beauty of this feature is in its simplicity. It essentially lets you turn one long form into a series of shorter, more digestible segments. Alternatively, if you find yourself at the bottom of a field and need to add another page, you can simply click Add New Page here. You may even notice another button at the bottom of the form, a bright orange button clearly labelled Add New Page. This redundancy ensures you can quickly extend your form without having to navigate back to the top of any long list of options. Now, incorporating page breaks is more than just a matter of looks. One of the most significant advantages of using them is that they can drastically shorten how your form appears. We all know in the age of digital attention spans, nobody wants to feel like they're trudging through an endless questionnaire. By adding these breaks, you're simplifying the user experience, making it easier and quicker for visitors to fill out necessary information. That wraps up everything important about implementing page breaks in Jotform. Remember, the goal here is efficiency and ease. When forms look shorter and less overwhelming, users are more likely to complete them. It's an elegant solution to a common problem. So there you have it, a quick and efficient way to create a multi-step form in Jotform. Implement these steps and watch the completion rate of your forms improve dramatically. Thanks for tuning in and happy form building.